In a bold move, the Netherlands has removed all artificial turf with rubber matting, and when you hear why, you'll be shocked that it hasn't happened in the US yet. A rise in cases of lymphoma among young soccer players, especially goalies, is alarming. These kids are breathing in harmful particles from the turf every time they dive. The issue? The rubber matting underneath is made from recycled tires, packed with toxic substances like lead, mercury, and arsenic. A recent Yale University study proved these chemicals are putting our kids at risk. Yet, they're still playing on these hazardous fields. It's time to take action. Advocate for safer alternatives in your schools and communities because their health depends on it. At Premium Grass Blades, we provide safe, rubber-free artificial turf solutions. Let's protect our kids by making better choices. Visit Premium Grass Blades today and explore our eco-friendly, toxin-free turf.